Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the built-in screen recorder in Windows 10. This tool is part of the Xbox app, which is already included in most Windows 10 systems. If you do not have it, you can easily install it. First, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. In the search bar, type Xbox app, click Install, and wait for it to finish. Now go to the Windows search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Type Xbox Console Companion and click on Launch App. When it opens for the first time, you may see a few tips on the screen. After that, you can minimize the app. There are two simple ways to start recording your screen. The first way is by using your keyboard. Press the Windows key and the G key at the same time. This will open the Xbox Game Bar overlay on top of your screen. At the top, you will see several small panels. Find the one called Capture. In the Capture panel, click the Record button. Your screen recording will start right away. The second way is even faster. Press the Windows key, the Alt key, and the R key at the same time. This will instantly start recording without opening the full game bar. When the recording starts, you will see a small recording bar on the right side of your screen. It shows the recording time and a stop button. When you are finished, click the stop button. A small pop-up will appear showing your recorded clip. Click on it to open and view your recording. Your video is now saved and ready to use. Thanks for watching.